They are full of vibe, oh vibe. Girl, jack it up in one night. Drum come and she a go feel more.
So this is my bathing suit for today. I don't remember where I got these from. And then I have this cover up. It's very cute. It has a lot of tassels in the end and it's embroidered at the top. So that's my bathing suit for today. So I'm gonna jump into that and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Okay guys, so I am ready. I'm just gonna take my stuff out to the car and then I'll give you guys a proper view. A new development that is happening in St. Anne's. So they're having lots for sale. So guys, if you have your money or you need to gather your coins, you can come and get something on the North Coast. This area is really nice. This is in Hall. It's very nice. So we're gonna be stopping by our friend's house again for about 5 minutes. Hang out, get something to eat. And then we head off to Dolphins Cove. And I'm telling you, this community is very, very, very nice. I absolutely love it. But I'm not there yet. I don't have those coins just yet. But in the future, I know I'm gonna have something like this. I will own one of these. Maybe not here, but you know, something of my own to call my own. But it's very nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh God. The famous Scotchies. We're gonna look some food for them, you know, cause aren't we always eating? Oh my God. I think we eat more than we do anything else. Trust me, Pala, one day. enough, you know.
Come and fly away with me.
Huh? Definitely. She love food, pork rather. I don't eat it. No, sir. Mama cannot missing anything. Go to the back. Shit, these chairs are heavy. Alright, let me see what we got. You got so far. No, I'm beside it now. My brick. We have no sauce here, though, no ketchup, no nothing. It's about two. Is that potato? Oh, one size up and give me? We get hot sauce. Back to where it come from? No, let's go to the food, isn't it?
I think it's better than yesterday. Yesterday, the first set was a little bit, well, back over. It didn't come through that close at first set. 6-4. And it was much better in the second set.
I can put what is it? Your bad, your pro coat. Gonna lead. Yeah, if never had. You can't do it.
That's what she's on behind the world.
I'm going to see what we made of. I ordered jerk chicken, 1 roast sweet potato, and bread.
Yeah.
There was no ketchup. Ketchup light. So hey guys, we just finished having lunch at Scotchies. And the weirdest thing happened. We were sitting at the bar having our lunch, chit-chatting, minding our own business as per usual. And a tour guide came in. So there were 2 white guys sitting across from us. You know, they were having their drinks, doing their thing, whatever. So when the tour guide came in, I heard the tour guide said, good afternoon, Mr. Riri. And I was like, Mr. Riri? That's my last name too. And that name is not it's not a popular name, so only a few people may know with the last name. You know, like some people like Brown and Richards, them name they kind of common and popular. Riri is not one of them, yeah? So anyway, we went over there after having our lunch and we introduced ourselves. So he's the owner of Scotchies. And I've been coming here for years. I didn't know that, right? So I'm now gonna go back to my grandfather. I'm gonna ask him some questions just to see if we are related. Well, not my grandfather, sorry, because my grandfather passed away. But my uncle and my dad, to see if they can shed any light on this man, to see if we are related, but we should be, because I have a few family from Montego Bay and he's also from Montego Bay. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna go down on the family tree and see what's what, because his side of family, he said, is originated from Savlamar, which is still on the west end, so you know, we might be related, but I'm gonna find out. But that was super cool. It was him and his friends, and we chit-chatted a bit, you know how those older men can be, they have to tell a story. But that was cool though. That was cool. That was very cool. Right, Davina?
Yes, hunty.
What's the plan now?
I don't know. Where are we going?
She bored, you see? She tired. She always tired.
I'm not tired.
I don't want to sleep. What you do? Anyway, we're gonna drive out. Wherever we end up, we end up. But you guys will find out. Yeah?
Hunty.
Well, if you like them on. So it doesn't even matter.
Think first.
Because I'm not buying another one for sure.
Definitely not.
Hey guys, so we're heading back to Mandeville. We're leaving Ocho and we're driving through Brownstown. But the rain came down when we got to Dolphins Cove, so we didn't get to do anything. I don't know if it's our bad luck or what, but every time we go to do something, it's always raining. So now we're cruising back to Mandeville, like I said. We might come back on Sunday, I'm not sure, but we'll see. But we're just cruising in. The road is a bit wet, so I have to be taking my time. But we're going through the country area of Brownstown. So yeah, that's basically it for now. Look how wet the road is. Rain, 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 and more rain. Brownstown.
They don't know my stuff. They just know my sound. They don't know how far I'm coming from. They don't know my stuff. They just know my sound. They don't know how far. Oh, them a brother did not hungry before. Oh, them a brother did not stumble before.
These that you guys are looking at, these are yam stick. So the farmers would plant their yams and then the vine will grow on the stick. So that's what these are. These flowers on both sides of the road is beautiful. I think we're in Cave Valley now?
Yeah, Cave Valley.